Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we uncover the truth behind online opportunities. Today we have a hot topic to discuss, wealthy affiliate. You might have heard some rumors that it's a scam, but stick around as we explore 10 compelling reasons why you should avoid it. But here's the twist. We'll review why deep down you should seriously consider joining this game-changing platform. Now let's dive in. First up, we have Wealthy Affiliates' so-called support network. Who wants a bunch of motivated, like-minded individuals cheering you on, offering guidance and sharing their success stories? Definitely not you. Who needs that uplifting camaraderie that comes from being part of a supportive community? Wealthy Affiliates support network is clearly a scam, secretly pushing you towards achievement and lifelong friendships. Next on our list is Wealthy Affiliates Comprehensive Training Materials. Now, who has time or desire to gain knowledge and acquire practical skills in affiliate marketing, right? It's far more appealing to remain blissfully ignorant, stumble through the dark, and rely on sheer luck. Wealthy Affiliates educational resources are just a clever scheme to empower you with the tools you need to thrive in the digital landscape. Now let's talk about those dreaded live webinars. Who wants interactive learning experiences that can broaden your knowledge, challenge your perspectives, and keep you up to date with industry trends? I can sense the eye rolls. You much rather stick to outdated strategies and miss out on valuable insights. Wealthy affiliates engaging webinars are just a sneaky trap, enticing you towards continuous growth and professional success. Website hosting. Who needs a scammy platform that guarantees your website will always be up and running smoothly, protected from cyber threats? It's way more exciting to experience frequent downtime, security breaches, and an unresponsive support team, isn't it? Wealthy affiliates' state-of-the-art hosting services are just a facade, ensuring you have a stable online presence and peace of mind. Boring. Now let's talk about Wealthy Affiliates affiliate program. Who wants a steady stream of income flowing into their bank account without lifting a finger? Not you, right? It's far more thrilling to remain trapped in your rat race, trading your time for meager paychecks. Wealthy Affiliates' lucrative affiliate program is nothing but a cunning trap, luring you with the promise of financial freedom. All right, let's move on to Wealthy Affiliates Foolproof Guidance. Who needs clear directions and a proven blueprint to follow? It's way more exhilarating to stumble blindly through the wilderness of online business, making costly mistakes and wasting precious time. Wealthy Affiliates' meticulous guidance is just a clever facade designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills to conquer the digital landscape. Networking, anyone? Who needs valuable connections that can open doors, foster collaborations, and ignite business growth? You? No way, right? It's much more thrilling to remain isolated, missing out on life-changing opportunities. Wealthy affiliates networking resources are simply a ruse aiming to introduce you to the right people and accelerate your path to success. But who needs that? Let's talk about Wealthy Affiliates' commitment to constant innovation. Who wants to stay updated on the latest industry trends, cutting-edge techniques, and emerging technologies? Yawn, right? It's far more thrilling to rely on outdated methods and watch as your competitors surpass you. Wealthy Affiliates' dedication to continuous improvement is just a deceptive ploy designed to keep you at the forefront of affiliate marketing excellence. Who needs that kind of success, right? Who needs timely resolutions and responsive support from a dedicated team of experts? Not you, surely. It's way more exciting to struggle in silence, wrestling with complex problems on your own. Wealthy Affiliates' efficient support system is merely a clever facade aiming to ensure you never feel alone on your journey towards triumph. But who needs that level of support? Definitely not you. Lastly, let's talk about Wealthy Affiliates' emphasis on cultivating an empowering mindset. Who wants a scammy platform constantly reminding them to stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and strive for greatness? Not you, certainly. It's much more thrilling to wallow in self doubt and limit your potential. Wealthy Affiliates focus on personal growth and mindset development is just elaborate rules designed to help you unleash your true potential. But who needs that kind of personal fulfillment, right? So there you have it, 10 undeniable reasons why you should avoid Wealthy Affiliate. From their unwavering support network and comprehensive training materials to engaging webinars, cutting-edge hosting, a lucrative affiliate program, step-by-step guidance, extensive networking opportunities, constant innovation, accessible support, and empowering mindset cultivation. Wealthy Affiliate is clearly a scam that will propel you towards success, financial freedom, and personal fulfillment. But seriously, if you dare to defy mediocrity and actually desire to achieve your entrepreneurial dreams, then Wealthy Affiliate might just be the perfect platform for you. Embrace the opportunity that awaits you and prepare to be pleasantly scammed into a world of triumph. And that wraps up today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Let us know, yeah, let us know your thoughts on your on Wealthy Affiliate in the comment section below. Yeah, remember success might be just one click away. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling. I wish everyone good health, wealth, and success.